Hi, good morning, children. Let's start the class now. Before that, then let's pray. Okay, yes. How are you? Well, you are fine now. Then, children, I shall handle English. Do you like English? Tell, do you like English? Really, it is very fine language, isn't it? What do you feel? It's like, yes, it is very fine language. There are hundreds of languages in the world, but English is better than most of other languages. Yes. Tell, do you like her? I know you like English. Without English, we can't live properly in the modern world. Am I right? If you study English, you will be hero in the world. If you don't study English, you will be zero. That is why what is needed? English is needed in the modern world to get any good job. Okay? Yes. Then, really, English gives lot of things to us. That is why then we should know English properly. Then this year, due to this COVID situation, there is no any other way. That is why I reached here to teach you English online classes. The last 2 months you were sitting there. I want to know whether you studied anything, whether you read anything. Yes, you want to know. If it is not there, no problem. Now we are here to teach you. Okay, you are welcome to this online classes 2020-21. And I am telling something about English. English got birth just 500 years ago. Now most of the European countries using English. That is their mother tongue. But if you tell the parents of English, Latin and French, then we can't this English from them. But now it is most popular in the world. That is why already I told, if you know English, you will be hero. Another thing, then if you know English, you can travel anywhere in the world. Okay. Then here, I am going to teach you something. Now you are ready to study? Now you are ready to study? I know. You want to be hero. You want to be hero, so you must know English. Okay, yes. In this vacation, what you had done there, can you tell now? You read some books. Okay, that's good. What you did? You did some cultivation. Okay, that was better. Yes. Then, what about you? You also read some books. Okay, yes. Really book reading, that is best. I want to know which all things you read or which all books you read. You read storybooks. Storybooks. What all storybooks you read? Upata? Okay. What you read? Balarama. Yes. That was story books. That was story books. Yes, but you read something now. Yes, that's good. Yes, you have some English books. I am telling you English books there. English literature, course book and grammar. 3 books are there. You have to study this year. I shall teach you literature. Do you like literature? Tell, do you like literature? Tell, what is literature? Yes, you like, okay, what is literature? It contains stories, novels, dramas, and what? Poetry. This all contains of it. Among it, which one you like most? Stories. Yes, stories you like most. Good. What all different stories? Just now you said that you read the stories there in which book? Balarama. Okay. So, what all type of stories you read? Stories are different type. Animal stories. Yes, animal stories. Okay, most of the children read animal stories. What's animal stories? In animal stories, we can see animals are talking, walking, jumping, and doing some tricks. Isn't it? These animal stories are called fables. Fables. So, what is fables? The stories which about animals. Okay. Then what else? Other stories also there. Yes. So animal stories, that is better for small children. You are very small now. Especially you want to study English well. Yes, you want to be hero. Okay. Here, I want to teach you some stories, poetries, dramas, etc. Then you said that you like to hear the stories now? Yes. Yes. Okay. Then, which one you preferred? Animal stories. Animal stories. Okay, I'm ready to tell animal stories too. First, we can hear the story. Before that, I want to know how you spent the vacation. How you spent it? Already, some children told that they watched the TV and did some cultivation. But the lockdown was there, no? Before lockdown, some parents had gone to different shops and collected a lot of grains. Right, what I called? What would your parent? Went to different places and collected a lot of grains, some vegetables, lot of things there. They collected. Why they collected such type of things? Why? They would have thought sometime they would not get such a type of things in future. Am I right? Yes. Some talented people, you're like your parents, has collected such a type of lot of things to do. That is why any difficulties occurred in your house there these days? Any difficulties occurred? No. Okay, good. Yes, no any difficulties occurred there because his parents collected a lot of things and prepared enjoyed well. Okay, good. Yes. So your parents are talented. But we can take example of other type of parents. Not the parents, other type of people there. Somebody not collecting anything the future. So what may happen? If any problem occur there, it will be starvation there. Starvation. You know what is starvation? Starvation means the person who lay there without getting food. Yes. Right what I told you? Right what I told you? Okay, anyway, yes sir. So we reached that point there. Such a type of one poetry I want to take you. Okay? Before studying poetry, you should understand something. Now you are in 8th standard. But already you are there in 7th and other classes. But you studied line by line in the olden time. But now you are in high school. So that syllabus changed, style of teaching, everything changed. Okay? Yes. So you can observe the class. After observing, you will get a chance to read the textbook. After reading the text, you should find the answers of the questions which I give. Okay? Okay. All ready? Yes. Before the teaching, I want to tell some more though. It's about poetry. Really, what is poetry? What's poetry? Yes. Can you? Poetry. Poetry, that's some words which is arranged in particular style. And intonations are there. What's intonation? It is written in high pitch and low pitch. That also there. Yes, while singing the song, then we tell high pitch, low pitch. Yes, such type of things are there in poetry. Yes. Besides it, lot of other features. In English poetry, you can see the rhyming words. What I told you? Rhyming words. What is rhyming words? Rhyming words are words which you can see the end of each line, one particular sound is there. Example I am telling there. If a line end with sing, what? End with sing. Next line end with spring. So you can see ng. Clear? That is rhyming words. That is rhyming words. Understood what's rhyming words? I'm telling a guy is. If a line end with bolt. Next line or after the next line end with called. So what is the rhyming word? Bold, called. Clear? That you can write as pair. Okay? Yes. That is rhyming words. You studied rhyming words. We can come back. The poetry. What I am going to tell one poetry. About one poetry I am telling there. Not line by line. Already I mentioned you are in high school. Okay. First, this poetry we can go through a story. Okay? Go through a story. Because most of you like to hear the story already you told. That is why I am going that through a story. Yes. Now I will show one piece of paper. In that piece of paper it is written. Can you see what it is? Can you see? One ant is there which carrying the food particles. Right here. There you can see one cricket. One cricket. You know what's cricket? Cricket. Not the game, I mean. This one small insect. Small insect usually comes to our house at night and making one particular sound. Have you heard it? Have you heard such type of sound of that creatures? That is cricket. That's cricket. Okay. Yes. What's the title of it? The ant and the cricket. The ant and the cricket. So we can see that story. All, are you ready to hear it? The ant and the cricket. Yes, first of all, you should understand what is the meaning of cricket. Cricket is not a game which Sachin Tendulkar or others doing, not that. Then here, cricket is a small insect which makes one sound there, one sound. Yes. Okay, have you heard it? Yes, boy. Have you heard? Ah, yes, sir. He has heard. What about you? Yes, you also heard. Okay. So we can see this story. We can see this story. Yes. So animal story. Really olden time, lot of such type of stories were there. Already told, such type of stories are called fables. What? Fables. Fables. Okay. Especially Aesop's fables. Have you heard that word Aesop? Aesop. Not our washing soap. Yes, sir. Or bathing soap. So here, Aesop stories. Aesop. Olden time, people used to tell the stories. That stories people tells to others tell to other, and it is spreading. So we can see such a type of one story. I think from that picture you understood. From that picture you understood something. And carrying food particle, and here one cricketer singing song. Okay. Yes. Understood something? Okay, no problem. No problem. We can come. Yes. Especially these kinds of story, we can see the morals there. Yes. Morals we can see there. Moral. That morals gives us good way to lead our life. Okay, such a type of morals are there. So this story has also one moral, so that you should tell after finishing it. Okay. Yes. Let's start now. Yes. Once one silly cricket. You understood it? That small creature. Yes. That cricketer singing song, enjoying and singing songs there. Songs. Especially which is season? Summer season. So you know different seasons that I want to tell first. Different season. Summer, spring, winter, rainy. These are different seasons which always there in European countries. But here and a little different. Than here we have another seasons. But summer, but you know summer is over there. Okay, and our autumn season, that autumn time, that is their spring season. Okay, so connection is it, but they are using different words. Okay, anyway, yes, sir. Then the cricketer enjoyed well by singing songs. It is sang song. Which all seasons it sang song? Summer. Summer is over there. Summer is over. Summer. Then another spring. These two seasons, summer and the spring. These two seasons, it enjoyed by singing songs. So these two seasons. Which two seasons we said? Summer and spring. These two seasons it enjoyed. It always singing song. Singing song. Don't confuse singing song. Not like film songs that we are hearing there. Not such type of song. But here, it's a sound that we can consider song. Sound means one sound it always make the like that. It enjoyed the nature and itself and enjoyed well that song. Who enjoyed the song? Cricket. Then 2 seasons continuously. Which are 2 seasons? Summer, spring. Okay? Yes. That season's finished. The next winter season. Which season? Winter. You know about winter season? It will be so cold. And in some places, it will fall ice pieces. Okay? Yes, that is winter season. First 2 seasons, what we said now? Summer, spring. That 2 seasons it enjoyed. Who enjoyed? Cricket enjoyed and rounded everywhere by singing songs though. Then winter. So cold. And ice is also falling there. It can't go out. That is why it is sitting there. Where in one tree it is sitting there. It want to eat something. It is searched there. It's a cupboard, it's searched. But nothing is there. Nothing is there. It didn't keep anything there in its storehouse. So, starvation. There is no any other way. Starvation. No food is there. Some days over without food. How can we live? We can't live properly without food. There is no food. So, starvation. What starvation? It started without getting any food. Some days passed. It went out. Look there. At that time, it couldn't see any leaves or flowers there. Why? That's full of ice pieces. Again, searched there. Yes. It understood. It's very difficult to get food. At that time, it thought about one of his friends. You have also friends? Yes. Am I right? Yes, you also friends. So, like that, our cricket thought about one friend. Can you tell what it is? You can tell what it is. Yes, you are right. Ant. You know the features of ant? You know the features of ant? What about you know why? Ant is the hard worker. It always carrying food particles that you have seen. Wherever the food particles are there, then it usually reaches there and carries. Why it is carries the food particles? Because yes, sir, this situation already I told the lockdown, and at that time your parents collected a lot of grains. Yes, they thought like that here, and also thought the season, which season? Winter season. If you want to have something, that is why it collected and kept food items in its and hill. And hill, what's that hill? It's a house. Okay, yes. Now we talked about one person. One here we can tell that's person. That's enter. So who thought about it? Who thought about it? Cricket. So cricket reached outside and it couldn't see any leaves or flowers there because they are full of snow, ice pieces. That is why it decided to go to ant. Why it is going to ant? Hey, it's going to ant. It expects something. Okay, it expects something. It expects something. But you just think of that situation. Already 2 seasons over. Summer, spring. Those seasons, these creatures enjoyed by singing song. Now it is searching food. Some people are there like that. Yes, some people are there. Okay, we can come back. Then slowly it is going to the house of ant. It reached the where the ant hill. Ant hill means that's a house of ant. It reached and looked inside the house. My God, what is it? Lot of food particles are there inside the ant hill. It slowly moves to ant and asked, I have no any food items in my house. Last some days I had not had any food. That is why. Can you give some food for me? Who asked? Cricket asked. What you are thinking? And they will give or not? They will give or not? What you are telling? Boy, what you are telling? Yes. And they will give? What you are? And they will not give? Yes. Then we can see. Wait and see. Yes. We can see whether it will give the food to cricket or not. Wait. Okay. Then and slowly came out from the house. Yes. It heard the sound of cricket. And what cricket asked, that also it heard there. After that, slowly coming out. And looked the face of cricket. So he repeated, yes, please give me something. If you don't give anything, then I will die. Who said that? Cricket said that. Okay. And reached there. and looked the cricket and proudly said, yes, we are ants. We are collecting food for other all seasons and we are having. We don't give anything to others unnecessarily. Unnecessarily. And he told, okay, I am your friend. I agreed, I am your friend. Servant, okay. But ants are particular creatures, hard workers. Don't borrow, don't lend. What it said? What it said? And that's the features of ants. It won't give food to other, and it won't beg food from others. So, cricket looked sadly, and said, if I don't get anything, I can't live. Okay, so, and think something, and asked the cricket, hey friend, the last some seasons were over. What you did those seasons? So, cricket is so happy. Cricket told, yes, those 2 seasons. Which 2 seasons? Summer, spring. I enjoyed by singing song. I enjoyed by singing song. Think of cricket told happily. He enjoyed by singing songs too. So, and asked a friend, had you kept anything there in your house to eat? No, he said. Yes, no, we don't keep anything there. I enjoyed by singing songs. And was so angry. It closed the window quickly. It closed the window and other doors closed. That window, that small window, that's called wicket. So it closed the wicket.